Hey guys, welcome. How are you doing? So today I will be taking you all back to my family home for the New Year's. So I called my aunt and they said they're cooking soup and rice and peas and fried chicken and what else? Goat and oxtail. So may I go up there? Them don't know I'm coming, so I'm going there just for the food, but I know so them not finished cooking now. I just feel it. So let's head on there now. Alright. So I'm walking at the side of the house now, just to go there and surprise them. And let's see what I'm doing.
Yes, we see Uncle Chef. Yeah, you can go outside and see Uncle Chef.
How about that cook? Chicken back.
Yeah.
Chicken. At this point, my auntie was whispering to me not to talk about the oxtail because my daughter didn't know that she was cooking oxtail. Chicken neck.
Yeah. It's surprising.
You just have to buy one regulator.
What weight?
Nobody want out there lose here. Not good.
No, but no, do not take time. Leave my phone. I told you. Say not good.
Okay. Uncle Sherry just come put you on easy. When you look on, he says,
It's not good. I hit to that day I done on the gas. Hey!
Uncle Sherry.
Mommy, you never surprised me.
Why?
Come with this soon.
But you never know I was coming.
Yes.
So I surprise you because you didn't know I was coming.
But I never catch you.
Still, living room still intact, guys. Could they?
Nobody sure know.
Yes.
Nobody.
Please go at video room.
Yes.
My auntie vex cause me no video room. You hear that? My auntie room, sit here. Me don't know. See our bed here. Same sheet. Each pattern was stitched. Each of them cut them and stitch them. And the headboard, that's another headboard I made as well. And the curtain, they made the curtain too. And this our daughter give her. So this is the room. She painted it in pink and grey. She and that ugly teddy bear up there. I ate the teddy bear, see, and she'll get clothes for dress up the teddy bear.
No, the teddy bear come with clothes.
The teddy bear come with
She
clothes?
buy clothes for it.
Alright, the teddy bear come with clothes. Or
Because
she buy the clothes and it come with the teddy bear. Teddy bear, I don't love teddy bear. Maybe that's why. So people who love teddy bear will be in the comment. Yeah. So this is our little quarters. Oh, and she got this flooring as well. Let me show you. This is not the vinyl. This is something like linoleum. But it look nice too. The grey blending also. It don't look like the old time linoleum pattern that we used to. And this is another of, this is one of the vanity that I used to DIY the entrance table as well. So if you guys check out that video as well, you can check out my entrance table that I DIY'd. Oh, I forget for telling us that these are actually sofa covers. These are actually sofa covers. And this one out here as well is a sofa cover. The original sofa is brown. And we put on sofa cover on it. So that's all. I'm here again for the new year. You say, I bring one some of the food to taste. I don't like pepper sauce, but this one is nice. Oh, see the kitchen here, what I'm telling you, say, the reality of the kitchen, and I think I joke me make seat here. I show you first and see there. Yes, cooking a guan. Well, cooking a guan, but it's still, yes, what I tell you, things I got in here, but cooking a guan. Alright, so
She come up here pretty that means she not help me no.
I do what I come for eat because I think I done cook. Yeah, I come for eat because I think them finish cook. Alright, so then I give my work for cut up coconut. Yep. So So these coconut, they don't have to cut small, they can cut like this because we're going to use a ninja. And this chop it up or grind it up real fine. So Mommy, all of this will go in right? Me say when night after me lock off the light, as me lock off the light, Christine wake up. No sir, she afraid of darkness. This
This year Christmas, it's like
reach this year now.
about the 22nd of December. One can feel it, take a take up New Year's Eve.
What?
One can feel it.
Buy one mommy, we can get some money.
I go sleep now.
Oh, this lock.
Arrow.
Oh, the arrow. Oh, let me follow the arrow. Oh, follow the arrow. Alright. So alright, so this I go. Do that. You at the cover. You can't take off the cover, so.
Yeah, me feel
Oh,
it
me
through.
to say that. At the cover, I leave.
No, you can't take it off.
You never know. Sorry, you don't say on the cover special. Yeah, but a long time.
Where you want to tell you like? Do what? And then them want to play and play this one.
The one you saw, that's a blend, the one you pour time. This no one blend. The one you throw in on the other door. You said the way your mommy love green, all this trainer green.
Me buy it, you know. Oh, you see them? I know me buy this trainer. Don't call about me.
Yeah, but whosoever buy it must know say a green them pick.
Yep.
Why they never pick red or pink or purple?
Buy just green there.
So,
That more time you can hold in this properly funky. Huh? Where that towel catch up? Right here, sir.
let me see how far the soup pot reach. Move them, let me go over there. So. Me think say when I call me say when I cook, you know. Me think say I done cook. Me just a come for the food. Yeah, me just a come for eat.
Over there, so come see.
Your chef, me have to cook meat, you know. This time me never people cook your chef, you know, because you don't want to cook to make you pick and talk if you want to.
Renee, put this up here so cause
I can't look for.
oh.
Yeah, look for to come.
Alright, where you use
No put none of them.
now we sit on the fish.
But you fish up on the first plate again.
Okay. Renee, you know say price smart fish them not good again.
They not taste good again?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
They're all.
Maybe that batch the way again?
I know the first sent one.
Maybe the last set Christmas batch.
No, before that, long before Christmas.
Yeah, but it not taste bad. Still.
Salt, pepper. Jesus, alright, good sugar. Christmas then raise up the bill.
32,000 JP still. Suppose we never dare use generator.
Exactly.
because it don't make sense to give estimated bill.
No, them very good. No, they can't have me to sit down at them place and have the estimate bill. You know, it's not that fair.
Then get smart meter and still give estimated
No,
bill.
that's not fair.
And we use generator. So if we never dare use a generator, how much you bill over there? 50 grand. First, then if we don't know the password feed, we don't just block it out.
I want to go get it right then.
Okay.
You have to go put one.
Alright, ready?
Well, if you up my restaurant, I told you don't cook stuff.
Food now got taste good if they want restaurant because a big batch them up.
Try not friend.
And then everybody know for cooking a bulk. She not answer.
Yeah, I know for cooking a bowl.
Well, the food now got taste good if you know say what the restaurant and everybody know for cooking a bulk. Oh, no, no. And some it's all true.
We can do a from home cook and make that dinner. Italy buy the dinner.
Yes. See you, Muya.
That can't hurt you. That can't hurt you.
Thank you.
That can't hurt
Take off that. Put on a better dress.
you. Increase. You can do it with the fire, then I can just leave up my bike. What's the man, man? Put into a little that's going to work. I deliver a late the food or cold by the time you get to it. Next man, you want to take time, right, one? One line for me. I be one of that. One make me feel like I'm not.
I'm not getting no back to
I like how you have the soup is.
Put a chip and no bite.
Make me want to skate up the road.
One skate. Skate, yes.
I skate bike. Mommy, you know buy the bike to do delivery business.
Bring back the change out time and play money.
The money, that money they fly, feel fear, like so much.
Me say Chris JPS send one bill for $31,000. Suppose we never dare use generator. $31,000?
I've estimated bill that.
Yeah, estimated bill. I need to stop the estimated bill.
Get you one what?
Kuya, so when you did here,
Mom, you know you're earning salary.
Of course.
she here because she get the text to 31,000
No.
That can't hurt.
NP flight.
No,
So you want to know if they might give it to them to come here and estimate, come and do an investigation and make estimate generator rubbish. And ask you know.
When them they come the last time and said they used to sit on whatever Canning can come charge too much money generator did round there.
Right round there.
No, they don't care about generator. They want to see what they want to see. So that's why they do that. They saw what they
They have
want.
nothing to see now.
They not nothing to see now.
Exactly.
So make them come look and say, okay, where this car is about half of the month. Oh, it's about
Exactly.
31,000.
So not with that, friend.
Yeah.
So she rub in her salt and black pepper and MSG and ground fish. Them can't afford parrot and snapper. So we have to go ground. But ground there too. How much we ground? Ground there too. Everything there.
Them here wash already? Alright.
My fridge needs some organization containers and so. My fridge need organizing. At least enough food in there though. I still have the pork there. Nobody not eat it.
I'm lucky.
All peer.
Oi.
Mhm.
Mommy get the pork last night because we take your big dash, you know.
Mhm.
And then two when we take your, we have nothing else to do for. So we say, no, I can't your pan there. When I send it around, she eats it off and send back to more. And I talk about how it's nice. Like
And
it's
she
just-
eat out what she did get.
Like that pork where she did said taste bad.
The same one. Then this man when we get a breakfast, he go say, think of the pork.
No, so no did I use the frying something. Well, never at the aisle from early too.
But
Today is 30.
look here. When you do go at it, damn fire can't light. You know what how me turn up there with the sitting and go out come
I
down.
can't like and then the pot it as you want.
Let me just get frustrated and say, no, what me say go by while sitting. Not lucky.
But me tell her already, but no. A good regulator will do everything.
If you just buy the
If you
other
just buy it, Mr.
when
Money,
reggae.
regulator must
It's
not
not
work.
them.
So, but no.
Yeah.
No. A good regulator will not here. And a sound stubborn.
Alright, so let's fire them busy.
Bubble up over there stuff. So why you stuff them?
No, them
For fry the stuffings? Alright. Enough oil in that pot to put the two? Oh, then the two can go then. Might as well not utilize it. Put that one upside down. Long way? So this can go in anyway?
They want to put the headway for the food.
Oh yeah, but you put that down because breast easier to cook.
But it
Yeah.
not fried that they did it.
It's a go fry. Anyway, so you have to fry.
It's emerging in the oil.
So we're backyard here. The backyard go way up.
That's it, yeah.
Pepper! 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 What more? Come say hello, Pepper. So this is the turkey pot, but we're putting chicken in it this time around so that it fries. Not good enough. Ew. Cover. This is at the temperature thing that goes into it. Oh, I forget to show you the paint. So this is the jungle leaf sage-ish color paint in Berger and the coral island as well in Berger paint. And you know one of the design trends now is shades of green. So this is how the chicken came out. It looked nice and juicy though. So let's see, and we're going to start sharing the dinner for everybody. I hope you enjoy this vlog. I'm going to get some food to eat now. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and look out for my next video. Thank you again for watching.